Welcome back. We're going to finish questions 10 through 13 on check sheet number 6, just to help you out here, make sure you're okay. We're looking at number 10. We have an absolute value inequality. We're going to solve this one for x, but the first thing we need to do is get our absolute value by itself. There is a times -4 in the front, so I need to get rid of that. So I'm going to divide by -4. When I do that, I get the absolute value of 6x plus 4. Now wait for it, greater than positive 6. Why is it greater? Because I divided by a negative. Now I'm going to write two equations like I do when I have an absolute value, inequality or equation. I write 6x plus 4 greater than 6, the original one without the bars. If it's greater, we write or. I actually say greater when I read that in class. The other one would be 6x plus 4 less than -6. And I solve them like I normally do. Subtract 4 from both sides. And I get 6x is greater than 2. Then I divide by 6. X is greater than 1/3. Or maybe you wrote 0.3 repeating. The other one I do the same thing. Subtract 4. 6x less than -10. Divide by 6. X is less than -5/3. Maybe you divided it on your calculator and you have -1.6 repeating. Anytime you have an inequality, I would like a graph with it. This one is a greater, which means it should look like oar paddles going in opposite directions of your boat. I'm going to draw my number line. 1/3 will be over here. -5/3 is on the left. For both of these, there will be an open dot because there's no line above the line underneath them. Greater than 1/3, bigger goes to the right. Less than or smaller goes to the left. And there is my answer for number 10. Note, I did not write an answer in compact form because it is not between two numbers. They're in opposite directions. Moving to number 11. We have three types of lines here. First one is vertical. Second one is horizontal. And the third one is slanted. How we will do this, for the first one is x equals 4. You will find 4 on the x-axis. This is my x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And sketch a vertical line. Straight up and down. Second one is horizontal or has a slope of 0. Some teachers might teach this one as 0x plus 2. Y-intercept is 2. And just draw your line going back and forth with 0 steepness. Next one is slanted. It has a y-intercept and a slope of 3/5. I will go up 3 and plot my y-intercept, my starting, my base amount. Slope is rise over run. So I will go up 3 and over 5 from there. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And sketch a diagonal or slanted line there. Next, number 12 is very similar to number 11, but do not forget to shade. Number 12, I'll draw my y and my x-axis. I will plot my y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4. My slope is 1/2 or 1/2, rise 1, run 2. Since there is not a solid line underneath that greater than symbol, I will make a dashed line when I connect my 2 points. And it's greater than, so I'll shade above or on the side that has the top of the y-axis. Moving to 13. Last one. We're solving this equation for x. First thing we do is distribute. So I will have 6x plus 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 10 is 30. Just bring the rest down. Then I will combine like terms. I've got two terms that have x's. 6x's plus 3x's is 9x's. Bring the rest down. When you have variable terms or x's on both sides, you want to take them all to 1. You can take them to either side you want, but if I want to bring a positive 4x to the other side, I will subtract 4x. When I do that, I get 5x plus 30 equals 70. To solve that, I will subtract 30 from both sides, and I will get 5x equals 40. And the last step would be to divide by 5 on both sides, and I will get x equals 8. And that's the last problem on check sheet number 6 from Module 1. Thank you.